Imagine you're scrolling through your social media feed, and suddenly, you see a friend posting about a new way to earn money online. Intrigued, you click on the link and discover Favepay. Ever wondered how to turn your online shopping into a side hustle? Or perhaps you're looking for a way to earn extra cash without leaving the comfort of your home. Well, today, we're diving into a platform that's making it possible, Favepay. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of joining Favepay, let's understand what it is. Favepay is a cashback platform that rewards you for your online purchases. Think about it. You're already shopping online, so why not get paid for it? Favepay partners with a wide range of online stores, from fashion retailers to electronics giants, allowing you to earn cashback on almost everything you buy. Getting started with Favepay. Now, let's get to the exciting part. How do you join Favepay? It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes. Download the Favepay app. The first step is to download the Favepay app from your smartphone's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Create an account. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to create a free account. Simply provide your basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. Link your cards. To start earning cashback, you'll need to link your payment cards to your Favepay account. This is a secure process that ensures your financial information is protected. Start shopping. Now, you're ready to start shopping and earning cashback. Browse through Favepay's partner stores, find the products you want, and make your purchases as you normally would. Favepay will automatically track your purchases and credit your account with the corresponding cashback. Maximizing your earnings. To maximize your earnings on Favepay, consider the following tips. Check for cashback offers. Favepay often has exclusive cashback offers for specific stores or products. Keep an eye out for these offers to boost your earnings. Shop through Favepay. Always make sure to shop through the Favepay app or website to ensure you're earning cashback on your purchases. Refer friends. Invite your friends to join Favepay and earn additional cashback for each referral. Take advantage of promotions. Favepay frequently runs promotions and contests that offer extra rewards. Cashing out your earnings. Once you've accumulated enough cashback, you can withdraw your earnings. Favepay offers various withdrawal methods, such as bank transfers or gift cards. The process is usually quick and easy. So, there you have it. Joining Favepay is a simple and rewarding way to earn extra cash. By following these steps and taking advantage of the platform's features, you can turn your online shopping habits into a profitable side hustle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.